In this video, we are going to learn how to add B2B wholesale features to your WooCommerce WordPress website. So let's get started. For this tutorial, we will be using a plugin called WooCommerce Wholesale Pro, a very popular and amazing plugin if you want to create a wholesale e-commerce website on WordPress. So we're using the demo access of WooCommerce Wholesale Pro. Now, a quick word before we continue with the tutorial. You actually have to purchase WooCommerce Wholesale Pro in order to use it. We're currently in the website of WooCommerce Wholesale Pro. You can find the link in the video description. So once you land on this page, you can go to the pricing page and choose either of the two plans, either the one plugin or two plugin bundle. You can purchase this plugin and install it on your WordPress WooCommerce website, and your WooCommerce plugin will now have the added functionalities and power of Wholesale Pro. So once you have this ready, you are good to go. So let's get back to the tutorial now. So the first feature that we are going to explore is the wholesale roles. As you know, a wholesale website has different users and different users have different roles. And Wholesale Pro actually allows you to create different roles. And we're going to see how you can do that. So what we're going to do is go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. From here, we are going to click on the Wholesale tab over here. And we're going to click on Roles. As you can see, we already have a role, and it shows us the global discount, product-specific pricing, tag status, price display, default roles, and the total number of users this role has. To create a new role, we can simply click on Add New Role button over here, and here we can go through the steps to create a role. So let's go ahead and add a name for this role, and we're going to call it Wholesale Pro. And discount, we want to provide a 20% discount. And if you want, you can also make this default and also add product specific pricing. So this will allow exact wholesale prices to be set for individual products and apply wholesale discounts to sale price. So if you enable this, the discount will be applied to sale price when products are on sale. And then you can choose the tag status. You can choose inherited, disabled, or enabled. Then you can also choose to display prices in the shop page. So we can see there are three options: inherit from the store-wide tag settings, which is the default, including taxes and excluding taxes. So we're going to go with default option and click on Add Role. And now we have a new wholesale role. And of course, this is the default role. And in this way, you can add multiple wholesale roles. Now, after creating this, you can also edit it just by clicking over here in Edit. And we are actually going to change a few things, such as the product specific pricing. If we enable this, and product specific sale pricing, we are going to enable this option as well. Next, we're going to click on Save Changes. Now we have product specific pricing enabled for this role. And this way, we're going to create another one. So let's go ahead and click on Add New Role. And we're going to call it Wholesale VIP now. And for this, we are going to add a 25% discount. And we are going to enable product specific pricing and product specific sale pricing. Then we're going to click on Add Role. So in this way, you can add different wholesale roles in your WordPress wholesale website using WooCommerce Wholesale Pro. The next feature that we are going to actually check out is the wholesale pricing. So you can set different tiers of pricing for different roles. Now for that, of course, you have to enable that product specific pricing option that we just enabled. And once you do, let's go to products. So you can view all your products, or you can click on Add a New Product to create a new product. But since we have some products over here to work with, so let's go ahead and edit this long sleeve tee. Now, once you come over here, you can add in your product name, description, image, and then over here in the general tab, you can set the regular price of the t-shirt. If you want, you can also set a sale price. And down here, you are going to see the different tiers of pricing. So for wholesale, you can add a different pricing. For Wholesale Pro, you can add another. And for Wholesale VIP, you can add another pricing. You can also add the sale pricing for these two roles, but we're not going to add those right now. And once you do, you can click on Update. Now we have added different price tiers for different roles. Now for all the individual products, you can set your wholesale price for each of the roles. So that was the second feature that I wanted to show you guys. The third feature is the product visibility. You can also choose who you want to display your products to. For that, we need to go to the product categories. So let's go ahead and go to the categories. And here you can see that we have so many categories. For example, this accessory category. If we click on edit, we can see that we have the option to provide a wholesale discount for this category. Plus, we also have the option to hide price until login. So this is another option. And from visibility, we can choose either public and wholesale, wholesale only, and public only. So we can select any of these options. So if you want this category to be only visible to wholesale users, you can enable this. If you want this to be visible to public only, you can enable this. So you can control the visibility of all the categories of the products. The next feature I want to show you is the registration. So for any wholesale website, there should be a good registration page. Wholesale Pro provides you with features to control your registration page. So if we go to wholesale and click on registration fields over here, you can see that you can build your form. Currently, the form is already built with 3 labels: organization, region, sales volume. If you want to make this required, you can simply put a check mark on any of these fields. So to add a registration page, you can simply copy this shortcode and paste it in any page, and the registration form will be used there. So we already have a registration page, so let's go ahead and check it out. We can see that this is the registration page. We can click on edit. And you can see that there are some text over here and the shortcode has been added over here. So if we view the page, this is what it will look like. The email address, we didn't see this field in the form creator, but we can understand that this is a common field and it will be included. The rest of the fields are organization, region, sales volume. These are what we saw. So this is the page through which the users will be able to register to your website. So that's the registration feature. Now let's go ahead and see the store page. So if we go to the store page, this is how our items will be viewed in. Now, this is the order form. Your customers will be able to purchase their products directly from here. Now, this is a very convenient method for wholesale users as they need to purchase products in bulk. In that case, they can just specify the number of items they want. And once they are done selecting all the items, they can click on this button and it will add it to the cart. But what if you want to use a different store page? This brings us to the fifth feature, which is the order form layout or product table. So in that case, what you can do is, let's go back to our dashboard. And if we go to WooCommerce settings and click on wholesale, now if we click on layouts, we can see that there's the wholesale store page and the wholesale product category and tag pages. So we're not going to cover the product category and tag pages. We're just going to see the wholesale store page. So currently we are using the order form layout. If we select the default form layout and click on save changes, now if we view our store page, so let's click on store page. Now you can see that all the items are in the default way, and from here you can purchase the product just by clicking on add to cart. Now if we want, we can also switch back to the order form layout. In that case, it's going to revert back to the order form. Now you can also customize this order form. WooCommerce Wholesale Pro actually lets you configure the order form layout as well. So if we click on configure your order form layout over here, we will be able to customize this entire thing. So first of all, you can choose a table name to display, so it's called wholesale order form. You can also see there are 2 options: add to a page using block or shortcode, or display on shop page. If you choose the first option, you can display the order form using a block or a shortcode on any section of a page. You can also choose to display the order form for all the products, or you can select specific products. But we're going to choose the display on shop page option. Then from the templates, you can choose where you want to display the order form layout. So currently the wholesale store is selected. If you want, you can choose the product search results and click on save changes. In that case, if we go to our wholesale store now and refresh the page, you can see that it has reverted back to the original display. And now instead, if we search for a product, you can see that it's using the order form. So we're going to choose the wholesale store. Here you can see that the default column, it's already built with the SKU, image, name, stock, price, and add to order. Now I'm going to explain what this all is. This is the SKU number. So if we go back to the order form, you can see there's the SKU, image, name, stock, price, and add to order. Now, if we want to remove the SKU, what we simply have to do is click on this close button and click on save changes. Now, if we view our order form and refresh it, you can see that the SKU column is gone. And again, if you want to add any column, you can go to this drop down and select which type of column you want to add. You can see there are so many options: ID, SKU, description, summary, publish date, etc. We're going to choose the SKU once again, click on add, click on done. Then we're going to drag it and drop it over here as the order actually matters. So now if we click on save changes and if we refresh the page, you can see that the SKU is back over here. So in this way, you can customize your order form layout, and you can also customize different options such as add to cart method. Either they want a cart buttons or checkboxes, cart buttons and checkboxes. So all of these can be edited. So these were some of the WooCommerce wholesale features that you can add to your WordPress website. Now let's quickly check out the pricing of WooCommerce Wholesale Pro. Now we're here in the pricing page of WooCommerce Wholesale Pro, and we can see that there are two plans, the 1 plugin and 2 plugin bundle. So if you want to get WooCommerce Wholesale Pro, you can get this plan, which is available for $199. Now this is the single plugin, and you can use it for 1 site, 5 sites, 20 sites. All these plans are available. So these are annual payment. So for 1 site license, you have to pay $199 annually. If you want to use it on up to 5 sites, you have to pay $299 per year. And if you want to use it on up to 20 sites, you have to pay $599 per year. There's also the lifetime plans, so you can pay for this only once and the plugin will be yours forever. You can choose the 1 site license, which is $699. You can also choose up to 5 site license, which will cost you $999. And if you choose up to 20 sites, it will cost you up to $1,999. Now, these are all one-time payments. So with this, you can get the Wholesale Pro plugin. The other one is the Wholesale Pro plus product table. So this is a complete wholesale package together with 1-page quick order forms designed for wholesale users. Now, we already saw the product table, which is a very handy feature and is very useful for wholesale users who needs to purchase products at a bulk, which saves them a lot of time. Now, this is available for $249. And like the single plugin plan, you can choose multiple plans. You can choose up to 5 sites or 20 sites. If you choose the 5 sites, this will cost you now $399. If you choose up to 20 sites, this will cost you up to $799. There's also lifetime plans for the Wholesale Pro and product table as well. You can choose up to 1 site, 5 sites, and 20 sites. Of course, the prices will go up now as this is a one-time payment. So you can choose which plan is much more suitable for you. If you would choose the 1 plugin, it's going to give you all the features. You can get the wholesale user roles and registrations, flexible pricing options, wholesale visibility options. We've seen all these features, and you won't actually get the order form layout in this plugin. But if you want the product table and order form layout, you need to get this plan. So that brings our video to an end. We hope that was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.